Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can mix and match hairs on Dress to Impress. So to do that, I'm just going to be bald first. I'm just going to sit here and for instance, I really like this hair but I don't like the bangs. I'm just going to select no bangs. I'm also going to color it the same color. Then I will open up like another set of hair and I for instance like these bangs like these okay. Then I'm just going to select only bangs and then I will color it the same color to create this really cute look. You can also combine them with the not this one, with other like bangs on this game if you'd like to. Obviously you'll be able to see through that, so select the ones that cover up the like hairline. I really like this hair combo. It's very simple. It's just this hair mixed with these bangs. Again, color it the same so that it doesn't look odd. I don't know, I colored it differently. You can also add more if you'd like to add more volume. I don't know, it's totally up to you, like how you want to mix and match your hairs. I'm just saying that you can, so that it's not like just one simple hair that people use. Like this one, you can select only bangs. If you want to use the like curtain bangs, you could do that. You can't do it unfortunately on this one. Some of it you can select bangs only for the toggle, some of them you can't. This one looks kind of awkward though because it is a little bit taller, so just mix and match your hairs like this. And that is how you can mix and match hairs on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.